So, have you ever woken up in the morning with sore arms, bruises on the tops of your feet, the bones on the top of your feet sore, the creases between your foot and your ankle sore, bruises and soreness right behind your knees, and sore legs, and wondered why and where they came from? If not, then you've probably never tried pole dancing. So I did that for the first time last night. Some girlfriends invited me to go, and as I often do, I said yes, and it was really fun. But I tell you what, if anyone is considering that as a backup plan, not an easy backup plan. It's hard. It's like actually really hard to climb a pole. They're slippery, and it's like running and jumping around a pole is not very graceful. You really have to like learn the moves. It takes a lot of core strength. Even the warm-up before she taught us any of the spins or tricks or anything was like really intense. And then the spinning itself is complicated and hard, and it makes you dizzy. And the instructor of the class, she's able to just scurry up the pole and grip her legs and flail her arms out and hold her body weight and do all kinds of stuff. It is not easy. I have so much more respect than I ever did for firefighters. They have to slide down poles and become really, good at that. And then people who earn a living by being really good at spinning and sliding and gripping. It takes a lot of strength and skill and practice and talent, really. So, if you've thought about trying a pole dancing class, I recommend you do it, because it takes a little bit of guts, first of all, outside your comfort zone a little bit maybe, but also it's definitely a craft that you can't respect until you actually attempt to do it. So that's my little tidbit for you today. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, and I'm also going to attach a little video of me doing a spin. It's pretty exciting. And I was like after only 18 tries.